Yes, Jai Gurudev, and good morning to my dear students. Welcome you all in class 7. Today we are going to start chapter integers, your chapter number 1. Before starting chapter, you have learned this chapter in class 6 also, and many problems you have solved there. Here we are going to start this chapter, but before starting this chapter, I am going to give you some important rules for integer. Those will be very much valuable for you to understand and solve this chapter. See here on the blackboard, I am going to write rules of integers. Rules of integers for addition and subtraction. See that when two same sign numbers are always added with their sign in resultant value. For example, see that two same sign number are always added with their sign in resultant value. Means suppose we have the two plus values, we will add them and their result, whatever result will get, those in that result also plus sign will have. For example, see that plus 3 plus 5. You just add them and in resultant value also will have plus sign. Okay. Example number 2. My same sign same numbers I am taking so that you may understand in a better way. Minus 3 and minus 5. According to rule, same sign numbers are always added. You add them, 5 plus 3 will be 8. What sign they are having? Minus. So it will give us minus. Understanding maybe. And second rule will be two opposite sign numbers are always subtracted with greater number sign in the resultant value. See now, two opposite sign numbers are always subtracted with greater number sign in the resultant value. Means if two values will have opposite sign, means suppose one value having positive sign and another value having negative sign, then what we will do? We will do the subtraction and according to the greater value sign, that sign will come in their result. See here, suppose we have plus 9 and minus 20. Now according to this rule, see that we will subtract 20 minus 9. How much will come? 20 minus 9 means 11. What is greater number is 20. Which sign 20 is having? Minus. So its result will be minus 11 will be. Now see that again, example number 1 or example number 2. Now suppose I am replacing the values in such a way. Now suppose this time 20 is of plus 9, plus 20 and minus 9. Again subtract them. 20 minus 9, 11. Which one is greater? Plus. Plus sign having greater value, so plus will come. In this way always, if we will follow these rule in addition and subtraction, then it will be very easy for us to understand. These are the rules of integers for addition and subtraction. Only two simple rules are there, and students are always making mistake only in these rules. Okay beta, if you will be clear in these rules, then you will not have any problems in integer. Okay, now we are going to learn the rules for multiplication. Okay, second is rules of integers for multiplication. Rules of integers for multiplication. See that plus into plus, always result will be plus. Plus into minus is equal to minus. Minus into plus, always plus, and minus into minus, always plus. If we will multiply two times, we will use these signs. If we will open brackets, and at that time before the bracket will have another sign, or inside the bracket will have another sign, at that time also rules of integers will be applied. See beta, now see that rules of integers for multiplication. Plus into plus, always plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into plus, also minus. By mistake I have written plus at that time, so do the correction there. And minus into minus, always plus. These are the important rules for the integers. And now we are going through the properties so that we can solve our chapter. Okay, now just take pause the video and note down means integer chapter. You will start from here. You write in first page, make the heading integers chapter number 1 and write these rules, because without these rules, not only in this chapter but while we will do the algebra also, at that time we required these rules. If you will be very clear in this concept, then you will not have any problem during the algebra part or the rest of the chapters while we are doing calculation in mathematics. So note down them in your first page of your topic. Now we are going to understand the properties of integers. Okay.